Happy Monday, everybody. I wanted to start off with something different today. I wanted to give you guys a little Monday morning motivation. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and happy Monday. I hope you are all rejuvenating weekend and ready to kickstart this week with a fresh dose of motivation and enthusiasm. As a dedicated team responsible for managing affordable housing properties, providing maintenance, and offering support as social workers, you play a pivotal role in making a positive impact on people's lives. Today, I want to ignite the fire within you and remind you of the incredible significance of the work we do. Each day, we step into the lives of individuals and families who are seeking comfort, stability, and a place to call home. We have the power to transform their lives and offer them hope for a better future. Remember, we are not just managing properties, we are creating communities, building safe havens, and fostering opportunities for growth. However, I understand that our line of work can be challenging at times. We face various obstacles from complex maintenance issues to navigating bureaucratic red tape. But let me remind you that the challenges are simply stepping stones to success. It is during these difficult times that our true character shines through. It is when we come together as a team, supporting and encouraging one another, that we can overcome anything that comes our way. Each of you possesses unique skills, experiences, and talents that contribute to the cohesive unit we have become. Embrace your strengths and utilize them to the fullest. Let us never underestimate the power of teamwork. Together, we are an unstoppable force capable of achieving remarkable things. Remember, our work extends beyond the physical aspects of property management. We are also here to provide support, empathy, and understanding to those who may be facing challenges in their lives. The impact we make on their well-being is immeasurable. Never underestimate the power of a kind word, a listening ear, or a helping hand. Our compassion has the potential to change lives. As we embark on this new week, I encourage you to embrace a positive mindset. Let go of any lingering doubts or negativity and replace them with a mindset of abundance and possibility. Believe in the potential of each day and the difference you can make. Approach every task with dedication, excellence, and a commitment to go above and beyond what is expected. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Each problem solved, every smile shared, and every improvement made deserves recognition. Take pride in the work you do and the positive impact you create. Lastly, take care of yourselves. Remember that you are an integral part of this team, and your well-being matters. Prioritize self-care, maintain a healthy work-life balance, and support one another and maintain a positive and nurturing work environment. This week, let us rise above any challenges that come up our way. Let us embrace the opportunity to make a difference, to create thriving communities, and to uplift the lives of those we serve. Together, we can achieve greatness. Thank you for your unwavering dedication and commitment. Let's make this week one to remember. Thank you for everything you do, for your hard work, for your sacrifices, for everything you've been through to get to this point. Thank you so much. You should know that you are making a major positive impact in the lives of everybody around you. Let's fucking get it.